Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. Realme 11 Pro Plus is a high-performance smartphone by Realme, which is launched on May 10, 2023. And it is known for its impressive features and specifications. Here are some key points about the Realme 11 Pro-like design, specifications and price. Let's start this video. First we open the box. You will get transparent case, SIM card tool, charger of 100 watt and USB Type-C cable. Now we talk about the most important element, which is design. Then it comes with very attractive design. On its right side power button and volume rocker can be seen. At the bottom microphone, dual SIM tray, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers is given. And under-display fingerprint sensor is given. On the back of phone, there is a circular camera module is given in the top. And within this LED flash can also be seen. Its gold and green variant comes with texture and leather back which makes it premium. And at the bottom branding of Realme is also given. If we talk about the price of Realme 11 Pro Plus, then its expected price is $300, 400 Canadian dollars, 270 euros, 24,000 Indian rupees, 85,000 Pakistani rupees and 30,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about display of Realme 11 Pro Plus then. It comes with immersive AMOLED display of 6.7-inch with HDR10 Plus feature. It offers rich colors, sharp details, and excellent viewing angles, making it ideal for multimedia consumption. And the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz is given. And peak brightness of 950 nits is given. From which you can easily see the content even in bright sunlight. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2412 pixels. And 394 ppi density is seen. If we talk about the operating system of Realme 11 Pro Plus then. The smartphone runs on Realme UI 4.0, which is a user-friendly interface based on Android 13. In which the user will get many customized and useful apps. If we talk about its chipset power then. The MediaTek Dimensity 7050 is used in it. It comes with 6nm process technology which provides excellent graphics and fast speed for heavy games like PUBG, Free Fire and Fortnite, etc. An octa-core CPU has been used. In which 2 CPUs of 2.6 GHz and 6 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen. Which is enough for multitasking. And Mali G68 GPU support is given which is good for graphics. If we talk about battery department then. It comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 100 watt is given. Which quickly charge your phone. If we talk about cameras of Realme 11 Pro Plus then. It comes with major updates in cameras. It has main sensor of 200 megapixels with a wide aperture of f1.7. And within this PDAF and image optical stabilization is given which is good for photography. And second one is ultra-wide sensor of 8 megapixels is given. In which an aperture of f2.2 is given. And third one is macro sensor of 2 megapixels with f2.4 aperture. And you can record video of 4K at FPS from main sensor and you can get clear images and detailed oriented images and video clips from this video. Some pictures taken from Realme 11 Pro Plus is also included. Let's see these pictures. In terms of memory, it comes with dynamic RAM of 12 GB. It has 3 variants. First variant 12GB plus 256GB and second variant 12GB plus 512GB. Third variant 12GB plus 1TB. If we talk about the body dimensions of Realme 11 Pro Plus then, its height is 161.6mm, 73.9mm width and thickness is 8.2mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 90.5%. And its weight is 183 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass is given on the front, which is a durable glass and it keeps phone safe from scratches. It comes with leather and plastic back. And its frame is made of plastic. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It is available in three famous, black, green and gold colors. So guys, if we look overall features of Realme 11 Pro Plus then it comes with amazing features. What is your opinion about its features and price? Tell us in the comment section. And if you like this video then shares it with your friends. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you. Goodbye and take care.